In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert an MKV video format file into other video formats such as MP4, and you may want to do this because MKV isn't always usable in other programs such as Adobe Premiere Pro. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up VLC Media Player just like this. You're going to come to the top bar, click File, Convert and Stream. You want to click Open Media. As you can see on our desktop, we've got a MKV video file ready to go. So all we're going to do is open that file, and then down here in Choose Profile, we're going to see that there are several different options that you can choose depending on what you want to do. As you can see, there are quite a few for video, but we just want an MP4 file, which is this H.264, which is the video container for MP4, plus MP3, which is the audio. But it all comes together as an MP4, so we click that. Then you're going to want to choose the destination file, so all we have to do is click Browse. And I'm just going to put it on the desktop, you can put it wherever you want. I'm just going to say this is test MP4. Like that, I'm going to click Save. And now you click Save. Just click OK on that. As you see here on the bottom of this window where it says position, where it's in little position there, you see this timer going along. That is actually the video converting itself in like real time. You don't want to close the application down or anything, you just want to wait for this, what do you call like the position on the bar obviously to go to the end and disappear. So we'll speed this up. You may see it says .m4v, but it is an MP4. I've just opened up this window here. This is the, if you want to do this yourself, all you have to do is do your right click or you double click on your trackpad, click get info, and you can simply see here that it is an MPEG 4, which is MP4.